Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the COVID-19 test kit, how to do it by yourself. Actually, it's pretty easy. But at first, when I received a message from my apartment agent, I was a little bit worried if I'm going to turn out positive or negative because my body's feeling a little weak in the past few days. I have some body malaise, and I don't know if that is because I didn't really sleep well for the past few days. It was actually a pretty simple kit to use by yourself, but the only thing that I'm concerned about is it could be inaccurate because some people would maybe want their result to turn out negative, so they're not going to do the process because after doing the test you have to scan the QR code and then fill out the form and declare if you're negative or positive. But they can just declare that, right? And also if they just use the swab like in the front of the nasal cavity, it may not really get the sample you need because it's in the nasopharyngeal part, or like it's deep down there. You know, when you put the swab like inside, you're gonna feel like a wall where the swab stops. Then that is the part you need to get samples from, and others are really scared about it. More so doing it by yourself. I was scared when I got it. I didn't know how to do it. I wanted to give the government the accurate results. This is one way for us to help the country, the world, our surroundings, our apartment, our schools, our community. So I did it, and I'm gonna tell you the result at the end of this video, so watch until the end. Oh Lord, we just received the COVID-19 test kit. We have the swab, and we also have the testing strip, and we have the buffer. Okay, there, it's COVID-19 antigen buffer. All right, and it's 0.3 ml. You're gonna mix your sample there later. And this is a QR code where you're gonna report what your result is, positive or negative. Okay, let's do it. Start with our swab. It should be easy to open on one side like this. Just pull them apart. Slightly tilt your head backward. Insert gently into one nostril until you feel a slight resistance. That's your nasopharyngeal wall. Roll firmly around the inside of the nostril, making 10 complete circles. It's so ticklish. This may feel uncomfortable, but should not be painful. After that, we're gonna have to open the buffer and swirl the sample inside a couple of times. Let's have that timer, 1 minute timer on our phone. 3, 2, 1, time. And then what you're gonna do is shake off and then pinch and try to squeeze until everything is left with the buffer. And then we have to cover the used one with the red cover they provided. There it is. Okay, with the cover. We have to put the cover of the buffer. Now open the Biosynex COVID testing strip. Okay, we have the CT. On the area of the S, you're gonna drop the sample here, 5 drops or more. You're gonna wait 15 minutes for the result. You can use everything, or you can just opt to use 5 drops from the sample. Let's keep this aside for now. We're gonna time 15 minutes on the phone, and then let's just wait. At first, I was so scared to do it. I was really scared to do the swab testing on myself. I don't want to poke my own nose, but when I did it, it was kind of funny. It feels funny. That's why I sneezed. So don't be scared, guys, if you're asked to do it yourself. Don't be scared. Just always keep a positive attitude. Keep your body healthy, your mind peaceful. Okay, that's really a good help for your immune system. So let's just work while waiting. Okay, so it's 15 minutes already. Okay, guys, so it's 15 minutes already, and good news, I am negative for COVID-19. There's one line at the control area, and there's no line in the test area. Okay, if you got this one line in the C area, it means it's negative. You're negative for COVID. And then if there's another line in the T section, that's the T, the test area, the test section, then it means you are positive. Stay positive, guys, of course, in mind, in attitude, but stay negative in your COVID tests. Thank you. Bye. Woo! Thank you. And don't forget that balance is the key to a healthy body, a sound mind, a content heart, and a beautiful you. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and healthy. God bless.